What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at this security camera that was sent out to me by the company Nooie. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. So if you're not familiar with Nooie, Nooie is a premium award-winning smart home innovative brand. Now they make things like this smart camera, they make wireless doorbells, they make solar panels, things like that for your security. Great company. I've worked with them in the past. I do have two of their other cameras as well, and appreciate them sending this out. So this is the Nooie 360 Cam 2. Now this is an upgrade from the best-selling dome-shaped 360-degree cam, which I do have, and it's still working great after all these years. So some of the features and details of this one. This one features 2K resolution. It has 8x zoom, invisible infrared LEDs, and it also features night vision as well, up to 32 feet. Also features motion traction, 360-degree rotation. This also has pan, tilt, and zoom, and you can do all of that with the Nooie app that we're going to look at as well. So this would be great for monitoring your elderly parents, kids, and your pets. This features two-way communication, so if someone outside could be talking to you, you can talk back to them. This has real-time alerts, so if something happens, you're going to get a notification that it's going on. And it also has an alarm to ward off unwelcome people that are at your door or on your property. You can set off an alarm and possibly get rid of them. So also, this features cloud storage and local storage as well. So a lot of great features there. Here's the packaging. You guys see Nooie 360 Cam 2, 2K security camera with motion tracking. Now this is going to work with your Google and also Alexa. This side, you're going to get some of the specs there. You can pause that and read it yourself right there. And then on the back, it's going to give you some more of the information here. 2K HD resolution, pan, tilt control, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud or local storage, night vision, sonic sensor alerts, 1-year warranty, limited warranty, and smart device compatibility. And it tells you what's all included in the packaging. You get the camera, power cable, power adapter, mounting bracket, and instructions. So let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging and come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. This is everything that was in the packaging. You're gonna have your mounting screws here. I didn't open it up. I don't wanna lose all of that. You got your bracket in case you wanna mount this to a wall. You're gonna have your power adapter here, USB-A. You got your USB-A to micro USB charging cable here. Power cable, I should say. You do have a sticker here that you can post somewhere, letting people know that we got our eye on you. You are welcome. Just a little sticker to let them know that you're using the camera. You're also going to get your instructions manual here. Let's take a quick look at this. So it's telling you everything in the box. It's going to give you a closer look here. Vertical, up and down, horizontal, side to side. You're going to have a micro SD card slot right there. And your speaker on the side. You got your microphone, your status light. This is where you're going to charge it. And you also have a reset button right there. You get your mounting, wall mount right there. And let's take a look at you got the app that you can download, the Nooie app. And then this is your lights. So this explains the light. So if you get a solid red light, the device is powered on and initiating. Flashing red light, the device is ready to connect. Flashing between white and red, Wi-Fi account or password is wrong, please reconnect. Flashing white light, connection is in progress. Solid white light, the device is working properly. So those are the different lights. So here's the camera. You guys see, this is where your micro SD card goes here. This is going to be your lens. Let's go ahead and get this That's your camera lens right there. Now this does this way and up and down, pan and tilt and rotate. There's your speaker. This is where you plug the power in, and that is a reset button. Here's the bottom of it. So very nice camera here, very nice looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hook the power up to it, and I'll show you guys the app as well. All right guys, so we're back in. I do have the camera plugged in, ready to pair. What I forgot to tell you guys is how to connect your bracket here. If you want to mount this to a wall, a desk, or wherever you want to mount it, put the 2 screws in here. Then you just simply take your camera. There's a slot under here and there's a little slot here. Kind of align those and it should slide right in place just like that. And this is how it's gonna mount to that surface. So that is it on there. Now I do have the Nooie app already connected. Like I said, I have other cameras from Nooie that I've been using. So you download this from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and this is the app. So I'm gonna get back to the beginning. So here's one of my cameras on the other side of my house. You guys can see there's my Christmas tree, and that's what it's going to look like. This is the app. So up here, I can choose to add other devices. You know, you see a Nooie indoor cam, a baby cam, the 360, and so on. Gives you a list of them. This is where it saw me walking in my house earlier. Give me the detection there. And this is, I can send a message here, back room, tells my email address, stuff like that. Just going through, I can turn this camera on or off, just like that. Now I do have another camera that's I unplugged. You guys didn't need to see what that is. This is pretty much it. This is, like I said, this is a live view. It's telling me that it's got good Wi-Fi signal right there. So here I can go home. I can add other devices here, appliances, plug, lights. If you go over here, this take you to their shopping, their web page where you can add other stuff. And then you're gonna have your page here with your account information. You can choose to get the 14-day trial period. Just a lot of other stuff here. App support. You get your manual and things like that. Just a lot of other stuff in here. But we're not going to worry about that too much. What we want to do is go ahead and get this camera added. So I'm going to go to plus. And we're going to go to the Nooie 360 cam. And it says make sure that your camera is powered on within Wi-Fi range. And please wait approximately 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red. My light is flashing red. So it says red light flashing, or you do not see the red light. All right, so this is where it's gonna bring up my Wi-Fi right there information, and I'm gonna have to put my password in. So I'll come back after I put the password. All right, guys, so once you get your password in for your Wi-Fi, it's going to give you a barcode here that you need to put this in front of the camera and let the camera pick this up. All right, guys, so now it is going through a step here, initiating the camera after it reads the barcode. And we'll see what happens next. So it's going to give you a bunch of notifications here. Things going to happen right there. And then here it is. Name your camera. So I'm going to put this one. I'm going to put this in living room. I'm going to call this living room here. And then it gives you the policy, privacy policy, and stuff like that. And here we are. The camera is now live. You guys can see me right there. And here are the controls. So I can go up with the camera. You guys see me now for sure. I can go down with it, pan and tilt. I can go that way. And I also can go this way and back up. So pretty cool right there. If I wanted to snap a photo, there's the photo. And so you also have your microphone button here. Let's see if we can get that to work. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Who's there?
There.
So you can hear the speaker there. And also you can turn the sound on and off with the other button there. So pretty cool, man, pretty cool. And going back here, this will give you all the information that we talked about earlier. And if I wanted to view both cameras, let's go back or choose between the two cameras. Now you see I have this camera in the other part of my room, and then I have this one, so I can choose to go live with this one. That's in the other part of my house. And I can also go back to this one, live with this one. And it looks like there's an update for it. And here it is. So as you guys see, I can pan, tilt, zoom. Let's go ahead and leave it right there. And that is a live shot of me right there. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to another room and we'll take a better look at it. All right, guys. So as you guys see, I repositioned the camera in another part of my house. I can remotely move this around, pan and zoom. I'm going to walk in there. I am recording this display here, and I'll let you guys see the quality of it. But I'm going to go get up and walk in there and let you guys see how that looks. All right, guys, so we're back in. As you guys see, it is a very clear, nice looking picture there. Let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the Nooie Cam 362, which is a updated version from the Nooie Cam 360. Now, I've had this one. They sent this one out to me a long time ago. This camera I keep in a certain place, and just disconnecting it just to show you guys. These cameras look pretty much the same, but this one has some newer features on it. This one's been great. This one has some great low light imagery as well. This one should be as well. I didn't test that. If you wanted to mount this outside, you will be able to pan, tilt, and zoom with the camera as well. And I'm not sure if this is water resistant. I didn't see anywhere on the description, so you will probably have to put this in a place where it's not going to get wet or something like that. And then here's the other one they sent out to me. This is the 1080p indoor camera here. Great image quality as well. Keep this one in the back, my back part of my house. And so all three of them here. But this is the newest one. Looks good, as you guys saw where I walked in, and you can see me very well. So I do like the two-way communication. I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.